Shelves are actually alternative storage solutions because people usually store large kitchen utensils inside kitchen cabinets. Small kitchen shelving, on the other hand, is often filled with ornamental pieces to elevate the beauty of the interior look of a kitchen. Here I'm going to share with you view ideas that you can use to ramp up original function of your regular kitchen shelving. Eventually, I hope they will add new centerpieces to your kitchen interior. And this is 10 clever kitchen shelving ideas for living your kitchen up by your loyal list maker, simphome.com. 10. Open shelving idea. A shelving idea shouldn't have to consume a lot of your money and energy. From it, you can also withdraw a simple but fun DIY project too. First, renew your kitchen wall with wallpaper of your choice. Get your measurement, take wooden logs, cut and sand them, and then screw them onto your wall. From this photo, for example, you can see a kitchen interior with a mixed art of modern geometric wallpaper with neutral wooden tones of the shelves. The wallpaper bolds the shelves itself and at the same time gives the owner a new space perspective. 9. Camouflage it. This one is the opposite of the first kitchen shelving set I've previously mentioned. You had learned how to show it off, but now you will get to know how to disguise it. It is just for you who love being subtle. The direction is also a breeze. If your backsplash composes white subway tiles, then just paint your shelves white. With this simple trick, you can expose your kitchen utensil collection and at the same time, when you're not using them, you turn them as kitchen centerpieces. 8. A DIY wrought-iron shelving combo. If you have more than a single heavy kitchen utensil, you require strong shelves to accommodate them securely. One alternative way to achieve this requirement would be using pipelines or wrought iron. To follow this idea, you need to use wrought-iron shelving system that is connected and screwed to your wall and ceiling. This idea is commonly used to deal with open shelving that will be tested with tons of kitchen items and activities. So if you're not usually busy in your kitchen, you can skip this idea. 7. An enormous shelving system and storage idea. For bigger storage, you may need to make one that touches down your floor to avoid breaking or falling down, which could happen with hanging shelves. Besides, you can definitely have extra advantages if you could construct a shelving system like this one. Notice that the shelving line in the middle is set to a higher than other lines. They are set to utilize taller kitchen utilities and at the same time create balance and new aesthetic appeal to the kitchen room. Most used utilities should be there, and this idea is definitely worth trying, especially if you happen to have a spacious kitchen with tons of kitchen accessories and such. 6. A simple storage shelving idea. Kitchen items such as plates, bowls, and teapots are also in need of special shelves themselves. Due to their weight and material, you should build a reliable storage that will not get shaky easily. And it will be a waste if your glassware breaks into pieces because you've installed poor shelving systems. This industrial kitchen shelf, for example, is an inspiring option you can copy and try. It is made of common materials such as wood, pipe shelving, and screws. It has a column with a fairly high space for stacking up plates, and it is also wide enough to shelter a microwave oven and a stack of plates. It is sturdy and isn't likely to cost you large amounts of money if you have access to old wooden doors or cupboards you can cut and repurpose. 5. Above-the-table kitchen shelving system. A kitchen needs more than just an island or table when it comes to storage and organization. Like an image illustrated in this video, for example, you can turn a regular kitchen table to be a new small library. Follow link inside description area to learn relevant ideas from Lowe's. Additionally, with this idea too, you can create a kitchen shelving unit float above your table all the way to your ceiling with a movable ladder out of this window frame. I have to admit that following this idea is arduous, and for that reason, I recommend you learn the next idea. 4. An easy DIY kitchen corner shelving idea. A kitchen corner would make a lovely spot if it is completed with a nice layout and simple craftsmanship. This corner shelving design is everywhere, and it comes with a variety of kitchen utensils and decorations. Everything you need to prepare to follow this idea is measuring tools, pencil, some wood, cutting tool or saw, leveler, screw, and wall bracket. After cutting, attach your corner shelving by screwing them to your wall. Make sure you install them correctly, otherwise they will probably hurt you someday. And by the way, you can sand and paint your wooden structure first if you want before installation process. 3. Low-hanging kitchen shelving idea. Slightly different from idea number 5 I already mentioned, this shelf does not require you to prepare a ladder. Simply use metal frame attached to your ceiling firmly and use it to utilize a wooden plank, some hooks, and some slim tube lights. With this construction, you can serve some plants or pots that you think can liven up your kitchen and also view kitchen utensils. Last, this low-hanging kitchen shelving idea is definitely one that can help you declutter your countertop and improve the overall look of your kitchen. 2. A minimalist wall kitchen shelving idea. This time we're going to talk about a dry kitchen improvement idea. It comes not with dedicated shelving storage system like our previous ideas. For this idea, the owner simply reuses or optimizes available kitchen wall as a new floating kitchen shelving system. It only requires wooden planks and some decorative elements. The idea demands large kitchen space, something that I don't have and you probably lack too. Anyway, let's find out. Last idea dedicated for us all in the next few seconds. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1, floating kitchen shelving idea around the window. Making a good DIY shelving idea for a kitchen shouldn't make a hole in your pocket. With simple design and materials, you can still get a pretty decent one, and this won't consume you much energy and time to make it. First, measurement. Then you need to cut wood in the same size as needed. Second is sanding and painting, if you want, and then make the props. Next, nail or screw them onto your wall, but first use a leveler to make sure they're even. The rest will be cleaning any sawdust you can find and admiring your new masterpiece. So, a clever kitchen shelving system can be anything. It can be originated from wood, metal, or tube and pipeline steel, with any design and model. The main purpose will be to help you declutter your kitchen and then provide you more centerpieces to please your eyes. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Browse and follow Simp Home website for more home decor and makeover ideas. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that Simp Home has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.